Me at party, no, I don't know how to dance. Me alone at home. Boys at public places, also boys at homes. Me calculating how much sleep I will get if I watch one more episode. Me listening to my family discussion while my mobile is on charging. Me thinking about having a little snack 5 minutes after I said I was full. When you tell your mom a funny story and it turns into a lecture, I just wanted to make you laugh. When you are in the back seat desperately trying to be the part of your front seat conversation. When you realize it's Sunday morning and you can sleep more. My mom thinking about who keeps using all the shampoo. Me, 7-year me thinking potions in the bathroom. When you have already coughed 3 times in class and you are trying not to cough again. This is me one night before exams. Shut up, I am going to hit you. Me after having an emotional breakdown.